This is Kim Brandt. Week 3, Discussion 2. Power can be all-consuming, but it is not always a bad thing or something to fear. Power struggles within organizations will either end well or badly. It depends on how those who try to claim power go about that. In organizations, power comes from being a leader or having ownership of an organization. There are numerous sources of power that are used within organizations. Some examples are constructive power. Leaders positively influence employees to perform at a high level by identifying a great outcome that benefits both the organization and the employees. Decision power. The ability to make decisions on behalf of or for an organization. Expert power. Power derived from the perception by the recipient of influence that the agent of influences possesses valuable or specialized knowledge. Information power. A source of organizational influence accruing to individuals who have or have access to information that is valued or difficult to obtain. Resource power. The ability to generate and control organizational assets, staff, equipment, and funds. Reward power. An incentive that influences the recipient of influence to change his or her behavior with the exception of a reward or recognition. Within the confines of an organization, there will most likely be political game playing. Henry Mintzberg defined the framework of political game playing both positive and negatively. According to Mintzberg, players can be from all steps of hierarchy. The objectives of games and their impacts on organizational systems can be different. The positive impacts of political game playing are shared goals, collaboration within different groups, increasing flexibility, and using creative ideas to make changes that will benefit the organization, the management, and the staff. I was the accounts receivable manager for a small specialty practice for 11 years. When I started there, the practice management software we used was completely outdated and difficult to use. We had to call for assistance weekly with crashes and it lost data. I conspired with our IT guy Bill to try to persuade our bosses to invest in new practice management software, which was extremely expensive, about $45,000 plus monthly costs. I had to explain how it would help with collection, and at the time Medicare was starting the process of requiring EHR systems. I explained that it would be advantageous to get the practice management program and the EHR from the same company so they could work together and we would meet the Medicare requirement. My bosses asked us to gather information on different programs that would work and fit our practice and present those to her. We were successful and we were able to purchase a new practice management EHR system, and it was the one that we wanted. It did save the organization money in the long run, and we were able to meet the Medicare requirements long before the deadline. Political game playing in an organization can be a fine line. You have to know when to jump in, and you have to know when to get out or to stay out. The goal should always be to better the organization, the patients, and the staff.